Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. I want to say welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and go to the platform. See? Now, I man wake up this morning and see a video message to I and I sent from more than likely a subscriber or an affiliate. See? But it's a stepper or I could say a gangster. Because we don't know who a stepper them days. Yeah. See, and if the youth watch this, you just hope say him pick up on what me I say. See? Because really and truly, for a man who involved in a criminality at Jamaica right here now, if you don't know him personally, you can't swear for him. That I want to tell youth and youth, because there is no structure to no thing. There is no aim, there is no cause. Seeing it's be a half-key business I go on like it's a freestyle thing. I go on with badness at Jamaica. And the principle not there. Seeing so it's hard. As much as we want to do it, because we love we love the life we want to live and get old. See, because in a 10-year or 5-year, the amount of production a man can do for benefit humanity, it's immense. Life is invaluable, Rasta. See? And the item can live certain way. And I get involved certain way. And then now when I said this is the case, and this case here, Rasta. See? When I said this is the case, right? And now the youth are innocent. Because first thing I want to say about the youth, I say everything what I say. Sound pan pint. If I'm butter, spell, or beg, nothing. Everything what the man I say. They pan pint. See? So, I go on the item, taking the video, and then we discuss this. Some more we are going to discuss the police them, and then we have some warning for the youth and youth, them Rasta for them, how best can avoid them thing. See, because right here now, when we say a thing towards the youth and regarding the youth, Rasta, we there fret and wonder what happened to the youth, how it turn out, what happened in the long run. It becomes part of I and I. See, it not consume to the point where I go cry. It like that. But it's because of the relatability of the circumstance and the situation, Rasta, and know so there's so many layers. When I say watch the video, I could discuss this after.
Yeah, so as me say, Syron Clarke attack. So you see the Huntsville police them what take money from the Blingers crew and the Colored Bed youth them in the Riverton community. Where because the community people them call Huntsville police them 15 base police and 2 gun police. Cause as me say, the man sit down on them in them back pocket. Cause you have a war been going on in the Riverton community for the last past maybe 7 years. Because I'm there in custody for 6 years. And during the whole time in custody, war been going on in the community. People are dead, hard, flying. And now, me come from jail after 6 years, the 25th of April. Now them a say, since me come from jail, murder been increasing in the community and shooting and extortion. And if anybody at all willing to do an investigation in the Riverton community for the last past 6 years, no month at all a Riverton never pass and 5-6 man no dead. When me that jail, me just come from jail. Police put me out in a newspaper saying I want it. It's a person of interest and I must turn in myself by tomorrow morning, which is the 27th of May. Them say me for turn in myself. Them put me out in the paper the 26th of May. Say me is a person of interest, connection to Chi murder. Remember me in a custody for 6 years, you know. Them charged me for Chi murder, you know. Me in a custody for 6 years, you know. But all of the murder them me charge and me no do. But I just money them a take. So them say if them can't kill me, them prison me. But the justice system no work like how you hear people talk or police talk, because judge are no fool. Lawyer are no fool. So you see when them come with them make up thing, it eventually I go fail them, because you can't make up a story or use somebody say for instance a man send a woman gas station, so yo go on a station go tell them so yo a Syron do that. Wait, take. And when them go station them make them report, but deep in them heart them know it's not Syron do it. So you see when they come to the court time, them not come forward because them know in them heart it's not Syron do it. But because them get money and under program, them go get the report say it's me do it, which me not have nothing to do with it. Just like now, me just come. Chi murder take place since me come in the community. And believe you me, the Chi murder them will take place, you know, a 3 different set of youth who no have no connection with one another, you know. None out of the 3 youth them are dead, don't have no connection with one another. But yet still a Syron kill the whole 3 of them. Me a person of interest in the 3 of them murder. You understand? Everybody know who killed them, you know. Even the police them who have put me out in a newspaper know who killed them. They say the Huntsby police them who are take money from the blingers them and Kalali bedman them. You have Raga G, you have Juba, you have DME. Them collect extortion off of the factory them. You from the blingers school you have Billy, Ricky and Kemi. But Billy are the bigger boss, Ricky are second in commander, Kemi are the ground dan, him are the dan for the blingers school. So when Raga G them and Juba them collect them extortion money off a factory, them hand where them for hand to Billy and them put to them to put packet off them little 15 bills and 2 gun police board them, so them have them in them pocket. So say the Huntsby station now, them need to do a serious investigation in the Huntsby station because be a corruption down there. You see the police them want frequent the Riverton area. You have Yogi, Nose, Liquid. How the next one I name? Yogi, Liquid, and Tucker. You see them, they have some bike police in the community with patrol. Who not have baby mother, have woman where them live in with. Them have a special yard where them park and stay where them don't move. Them not frequent nowhere in the community. So when something happen in the community, them just wait till them friend them call them and tell them who. So if them friend them I do the murder and the crime them in the community and then tell them police when them say, yo, watch out man, I boy John Brown do that, you know. So see if Billy, Ricky put them money together when them collect the whole of them money from Juba them and DME them and Raga G them put it together and pay them police friend them. So see Tucker, corruption police, Liquid, corruption police, Yogi, corruption police, Nose, corruption police. They have one next one with them call name Dalton Morgan from the Huntsby, corruption police. Cause him talk, you know, Dalton Morgan talk, you know, say all the years him a lock up man in a custody and the enough money him ever get for send a man go to prison, you know. Him say every court date him get 200,000, you know. Me there in a custody for 6 years and I can tell you say Dalton Morgan never miss one single court date, you know. Because him say money and run for send me a prison. Him tell me say lawyer alone can't help me, you know.
Lawyer alone can't help. Yo, them thought that me not laugh because it's funny. You see, me I laugh with the nonchalance, with the ear of You know? Lawlessness. When them argument they all talk with, you know, and for a man, I lay them allegation there at the doorstep of a policeman. You know, see Dalton Morgan. It's disgraceful. You know, see it, Rasta. And like me, I said, the youth attack with a certain air of honesty where you can feel it, Rasta. You know, care how stupid it is. The man attack with a whole lot of clarity will make you kind of straight. You know, if I'm but business that they in a man talking, Rasta. You know, see it. You know, see it. Why? He mentioned two stepper. He mentioned the stepper them name, including Billy and Ricky and the rest of them. You know, say the same role we play today, you know, to my same knife we stick sheep, stick goat tomorrow in a Rasta. You know, see it, and when you play too deep in a man and a man just end up eventually see phone and to a no phone card. You know, see it, I can pluck that any day. Cause I saw the thing stay. You know, see it. But more seriously than anything else, more concerning, how the man can we have corrupt police name and find out a man who the police are claim to be wanted. You know, see it, man, we have some police name and find out and them connection and thing like that. You know, see, disgraceful. Tucker, disgraceful. Licklead, disgraceful. Yogi, disgraceful. Nose, disgraceful. Dalton Morgan, disgraceful. You know, see it. The item no hold up the integrity of where the police force and the thing meant to be, even when it not there for benefit we. There was always a standard where police abide by. You know, the area the way them occupy that for themselves, Rasta. You know, see, we don't know where the erosion come in over time. We know, you know, see, but we love hear it from the item. The item can talk it with more clarity. So when now get enough pay and them could think down and feel live yes so and yam this so and you know see, you know if you know so we'll explain so well and the rate or the wage drop on a standard where even to the level you know where the day-to-day corruption and bribe with them on road now work. We don't have to start work with the criminal them now. You know see it? Well, I saw at the standard I live in today, at the mode where things are go by. You know see it, but it's not acceptable. It's not acceptable. And when another man where una accused of one set of, you know, criminality can come out and point out them sort of thing. You know see, lie alone can't help you. And 200 and kind of sound, you know, exaggerative still for say every time I go court police get 200,000 come sentence me. Come like a beer money and run down the Rasta. We don't know. Like a beer money down and run down the man them no shot at nothing. You know see the gunman cannot pay police for keep another gunman in prison. You know see it. It come like a joke. But you know see the value of life. You know, see the value of what life is. You don't have to do nothing nowadays. A long time it stays so still. You know, see it, a long time it stays so. You don't have to do nothing. You know, see it. A policeman have him friend and you becomes an enemy of a policeman friend. You find yourself in the policeman sight line too, if you know what I mean. You know, see it. You know, see it a long time, them sort of corrupt thing they are going and you know have to know say it's so easy. That's how easy it is for the whole thing wind down. You know, see it. So the item have to be careful with what them do and have some standard. You know, see it, cause see the whole thing you can't it's like it just sound, the video just sound mix up, a beer, bad man mix up. We not say a lie, you know, we not say nobody put nobody in a mix up, although that a go on, but them sort of thing and go on in the system. Them sort of thing really and truly, you know, them wire fight dirty, and man fight, badness thing turn, badness, that it is. So I love the hot step of them. And a hot step in, we say. Hot foot, you know, because them type of discussion here. And a really gangs and a really outlaw, you know, area discussion them here. When outlaw and police have it out, them just have it out. No business of police want to say a long time police always I say what them I say. You see, the only way to counter that is stay out of certain things, stay out of the kitchen if when it get turned up in there, and this it all lead to. You know see, the police have you up with from once you start wind up certain way. All America do it. You know see, because you're black. You have to remember that and just know say it easy because your life no value, your life value less. You know see it in a both way. If it take you out, and it cheap if it take you out. You know see, and everything just cheaper for you, my general. And I if you know that as youth and you and try imply some level of consciousness in our way of thinking and our flex and approach life these days, Rasta. You see, once you go down certain road and find yourself down certain road, it's either you see, that better you do like me and just know say after the fact, you come back and try share your experience with the youth and just know say, yo, that I go on and this I go on. You can't go in there and that I go on and you expect anything else. Notwithstanding the fact so we still a burnout police we are going to involve themselves over that side there and operate in the interest of gunman and them type of thing there. You know see, long time we call that as sadness. One time, not even tell you the truth, not even police strap step and no one touch. When saying so, for instance, you have only for occasion a man end up where man find themselves with them, whichever way, and find himself with a police strap. Yeah, and that coming at the area or anything like that. I one of the only thing a man goes and look man it and just don't say, yeah, that. But that's what one man consider salt. Man just consider say anyway, you're gonna drop with that soon. You're gonna get slapped with soon. You not get caught with it, you know, just by having it. We just tell ourselves superstitious to say that our draw don't cross this power rasta. And then boy they'll come find with it. So the man don't really want to have that. You see, so the whole relationship and the association to that depths with the two island water. We don't know how that really play out for the island. You see, so it's conflicting, and you can't swallow that one there at all, Rasta. You see, but you can't swear for the youth them. Can't swear for the youth and say where them after him for his true or a lie. Because a man now go come and so come say it. One time a man now say it is when him find himself back against the wall and him threatened to the level. With a love no so we can stand up and beat down certain things and burn it out for the youth them. But the nature of a fear today, Rasta, give no body, no authority and no will. If you come take up no video from no strange man and jump and run and shout. And farmer, Sankey or sing no Sankey. Because at the end of the day, we say, you have to know a man, Rasta, and know what him do, what him did do, and what him will do before you can go. You see? But if you have man a call police name with them level of accuracy at Rasta and I link them with criminal entity and criminal and them way there is a disgrace on the police force. This shouldn't be possible. You see, man should even know no man name or them way the way him can associate them because again, it should be a lie and such a grievous lie that when you reach, when them you consider so when the man the whole the consequence are go rough because you dare speak them name in a corruption like that. You know that now go away, but there's no consequence, so that there's no disgrace factor surrounding calling a policeman name in a them sort of environment because the consequence of that is like the standard not there again, Rasta. You see, the standard not really there. You know see, but make this be a warning to the youth and youth them Rasta. When you give me something for you, we can stand upon a firm backing on the ground, you know, so yeah, we can stand up and talk for a youth to find a youth in a position like this. You know see, because the youth them have a certain standard, certain things the youth them now go do. But right now, we can't, no, who can say that right now, Rasta? Who can say, you know? Who can say? No, this is something for the youth, them consider Rasta, regurgitate and say, oh well, you know, and how much of a support or backing, and not even backing, but how much compassion out there for the item actions. Right and now, you do the item and go with this. You know, see? Anyway, we give thanks. Rastafari name. Share, like, and subscribe.